It's, I'm thinking. I don't know. For some reason, ever since I started, I've been thinking about getting back into rugby. A little bit. I don't know.
Cool.
Just it's a thought.
Okay. So that would be good. So, but you haven't played rugby in a while, so that might
It's
be.
been way too
Well,
long.
that might be a big thing. What would be the first thing you could do if you wanted to eventually get back to playing rugby? What would be the first thing you could do on a regular basis that would help you kind of meet that goal?
Obviously, getting back into shape. I need to start. I mean,
So
I
what
love
would
to
that?
run. I love to
Okay.
run. I love to walk. And I guess being outside, just being active.
Okay.
I've been not active for a
So
long
let's
while.
so let's think this. Let's have you do one thing starting tomorrow that you could do on a regular basis with the goal that you're going to get back playing rugby. What would that be?
Running.
Running. Okay, so you could run for like a couple minutes
I
or
could,
something.
I mean,
Kind of run
it's-
on a regular basis. Notice how we're doing some goal work using the Courage Ladder. Jamal's goal to play rugby is too big for now, so it's important to break it down into smaller pieces with concrete next steps. Okay.
I like that. That's-
Okay, so I'm going to put that down on our plan for you kind of taking care of yourself.